Second one. Basket. Good to you. We are tied 0-1. Half court, blue team. Yan, half court is correct. Number 3, binababa bola. Number 3, pass to number 5 to the breach. Just foul. Two free throws na naman niya. Para kay Kuya Vince. Kuya Vince, 2 shots. First try. Muntik na.
Oh? Ah, yeah. Super. Sino was that?
Second try, Kuya Vince.
Sandy?
For the lead. Wala, rebound. Last touch on right, Lugo. Down right, down. Half court, half court. All one po tayo. Very tight zone. Makalinaw. Makalinaw na dalawa. Makalinaw. Ginagawa na naman 25. Makalinaw. Pass the ball. Agaw. Ball by number 17, Diego. Nabitawan. Loose ball na kuha ni Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke. Pasa. Agaw. Number 15. Pass to Emmett. Emmett Brothers. There's the foul. Tumusag yan. Para number 3. Ayan, 2 free throws. Makakuha kaya ni Emmett. Wala ako natira. For the lead. Second try, number 3. 1 minute and 43 seconds sa ating first quarter. Second try. Wala pa rin. Rebound, number 7. White ball po tayo. White ball. One minute and 10 seconds sa ating first period. White ball po tayo. Take on. Ako ni Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke, ang bilis. Pasa. Makalinaw sa gitna. No. Rebound. Number 15. 15. Wala na. Back to Emmett. Patawal ni Kuya Vince. Kuya Vince. Running jumper now. Rebound sa Kuya. Kuya Vince, nice pass. Nice shot. 25 seconds remaining. Kuya tayo, ano ba?
Go, Sayon, go! Go, Sayon, go, ano?